Acirithania atatu a igoti rinene aria ni Chacha Mwita, Patricia Nyaundi na Lawrence Mugambi ni mateaneirie itua ria kamiti ya guthingicira micara ya aruti wira muingi SRC. Itua riria rirateaneirie kigina kiria acirithania guku bururi-ini makoretwo makiamukira gia kugura ngari ciao kiumbe. Makiheana itua riri acirithania aya ni mathire ministry ya kigina kurekereria ciringi mirioni 10 hari o mucirithania, makiuga ati uyu ni undu wahetukitio gatiba-ini ya mwaka wa 2010 na ati gatiba ndingikarario.
Judges have been appointed since 2011 and have been enjoying this benefit since then. By parity of reasoning, the benefit acquired constitutional protection under Article 160 sub Article 4, and for that reason the benefit cannot be taken away, as this would amount to a variation of judges' terms and conditions of service to their disadvantage.
No kamiti ya SRC nionanetie kwaga kuiganira na itua riri. Muikariri giti wa SRC akiuga ati ritire na waragania na mithingi ya gukorwo ati acirithania ya maheanire itua riri ni amwe aria makugunika na uguo matingiheanire itua ria muthemba ungi.
This benefit has direct financial benefit to a judge, and therefore the question is whether a judge can then make a decision without having a conflict of interest on a matter whether they have direct financial benefits.
Acirithania ya makoretwo makiamukira mbeca icio ro thutha wa miaka ina, ona thengia wa gukorwo mari na ngari ingi iria maheagwo ni thirikari cia kiwira. Ngari iria ciroragwo ni thirikari cigekirwo maguta na mbeca cia muingi na ndereba akandikwo ni thirikari.
The state officer, in this case the judge, already has a benefit that the commission has set, and they are entitled to a car fully maintained, fueled by the taxpayer. So this additional benefit is actually not for official use, it's for personal use.
Ona gutwika mengi ni ugite ati ni magucokia ciira uyu riko, nionanetie uhotekeku munene ati SRC ndiri hota ciira uyu, na ugakoria Kenya meharirie gukua murigo uyu uria ni wa ciringi bilioni 2.5 mbeca iria ciriongererekaga kuringana na ithabu ria acirithania.
It means that 2.5 billion the taxpayers will pay. There has been no public participation, and there will be a requirement that burden is now passed to the taxpayer for a personal benefit.
SRC yugite ni ageretie guikia ihoya kuri ruhonge rwa ucirithania kugia na miario ya uiguano gatagati ka mienere iragucaniria ndeto ino ithenya-ini ria guthii igoti-ini, no ihoya ria SRC ritia iguikire.
First thing that the commission filed in court was to request exactly that. Can we have a process of mediation instead of going through the court process? But the judiciary took a different view.
Hadu ine ha KAMITI TV retwa ria kwa ni Kimani wa GUTHII.